what is up? It's Arushi. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm finally here with a vlog. I know I promised you guys some moving vlogs, but I could not do them only because, so here's a little life update. I moved to Delhi and I'm going to be showing a part of the moving and just like traveling to Delhi here in the beginning of the vlog. But basically I was moving and I just entered college, so everything was comparatively new for me. So I was just trying to adjust. Also because I live in a hostel now, it was kind of difficult for me to adjust and vlog and do everything at the same time. So I'm sorry for being away for like 1 or 2 months now, but now I'm back. Also because I live in my hostel, I don't have a proper backdrop, so it's difficult for me to kind of film main channel videos. But now I have friends to motivate me to film, and so I'm going to be putting vlogs at least. And yeah, you should also wait for the main channel videos because I'm going to be doing a challenge with her. Say hi to the camera. Yeah. Alright, so this video is going to be a compilation of a lot of different vlogs and videos that I filmed. So I'm going to start the vlog with the day I moved to Delhi from Ahmedabad, and then I'm just going to be showing you different snippets of things I filmed at college. So it's going to be one day of Rubaru, which is a workshop, and then just random classes, and also snippets from my hostel life with my roommate and stuff. So yeah, without any further ado, let's now get started. What is up, it's Arushi and I am back with my vlog. I'm continuing with the vlog that I started. So today I'm actually gonna, so that's my roommate and she's literally getting ready for like the vlog. But anyway, come. So today we're gonna be decorating our room. So this is the wall that we're gonna be decorating because यहाँ पे घर का feeling नहीं आता है. So by decorating the room, we will feel at home, and you know, the fairy lights and everything just make everything better. So right now we're going to be inserting a time lapse of however we did it, because when I posted an Insta story on Instagram, obviously you guys really want to know how I decorated it and where I got everything from. So I basically have these fairy lights. They're like small bulbs, and I got this from Amazon for like 200 bucks, and this mandala was for like $3.99. Show the mandala now. So this is the mandala we got, and this is literally for like $3.99. So the whole room decor is only for like 500-600 bucks. That's great. And yeah, let's now get started. So as you guys saw, we are done with the room decor, and this is how it looks. I got the tapestry and the fairy lights. Okay, wait. Waagi band kar. This is how it looks. So turn on the lights. So I got the tapestry and the fairy lights like I told you from Amazon, and the both of us did it. So yeah, I mean our room is decorated now. I will show you guys a room tour so that you guys know. So when you enter, you see these beds and you see that, and literally the whole room ends. But I'll show you everything in detail. So here's Sheru's bed. I call her Sheru, and that is my bed. So I have a sheet on a sheet and a pillow cover on a pillow cover. And so that's literally it. What?
Mine one is obviously cleaner and better.
No, mine is more organized with the bed sheet. Now here's how we decorated our room. Can you close the light? Close. Yeah, so here's how it looks. I ordered everything from Amazon.ins. If you guys want, I'll leave the links down below. And now again we have 2 cupboards. So this is mine and that's Sharanya's. And then here's our mirror. So we have this mirror and also I'm in my night suit. This is my desk. So I'm in an art college, people. So I have a sketchbook. I never thought I'd have one. And I have paint brushes and a mixing plate and Mario. But yeah, so that's my tripod. I need to start filming. We have a window and it's raining. Kya?
It's raining. That's
It is raining. And last but not the least, we have a washroom again with a mirror. That's all our products. We have a bathing cubicle, commode. And yeah, that is literally it. So our room starts. Do that again. So our room starts and it ends, but our room is the prettiest of all the rooms in a hostel. Hi guys, so the last time I vlogged I was with Sheru and we were doing the whole face mask spa thingy. But right now we're going to be playing what?
Ramika.
Yeah, so right now I'm with all of my hostel friends, like most of them. That's Tanya, Himani and Sheru you've already met. So we're eating Maggie because those were our snacks for the day and we're also playing. So I'm going to be vlogging all of that. Now let's get started.
Okay, so the main objective of the game is that we finish our tiles. Okay, and the person who finishes them like the first is going to be the winner. So we have to make sets of 3 or more. Over here.
I made tiny.
मेरे को cheat करने दे रही है?
Oh, नहीं cheat नहीं करना. बता रहा. Close your eyes.
Don't look at
We
me.
all are cheaters.
She's like, you're trying.
जिसे ढूंढता हूँ मैं.
हर कहीं जो कभी मिली मुझे
Hi guys, so I am out with Sheru and we're doing some grocery shopping. Say hi. So we're doing grocery shopping because we're adulting now.
Help me out with the coffee. Help me out with
So she needs to buy coffee and I need to buy random snacks because I love getting fat. And now when we go back to the hostel room, we're going to be doing a haul of whatever we bought. Hi guys, so the last time, say hi.
Hi.
So last time we actually vlogged was when Tanya, Sheru and I, we were having like a dance party.
You also did a face mask.
Yeah, and after that I had to vlog and like end the vlog, but I had some family emergencies that I posted about on Instagram, so I could not vlog obviously. But today we went for like grocery shopping. Show me your bag. So we went for
Stationery.
yeah, so we went for stationery and grocery shopping, and I thought I should do like a haul of what junk hostlers buy. So tell me what you bought.
So I got like a 48 shade Staedtler color pencils, which is like 1,000, more than 1,000 bucks.
It's for 1,200 rupees.
हाँ, just
And
for
art college में रहना इतना महंगा पड़ रहा है because stationery every day, new stationery supplies every day. And then I bought some groceries, so like I need snacks. I love munching. So I got these crispy strips Nimbu Chatka by Tasty Treat. Then I basically got all the junk and she got like the nice achhi cheezein. I got Hippie and I got Act 2 popcorn because like in the hostel every time we like feel like munching it's like microwave. Then I got Decor. Cause Decor. And then I got hide and seek. This seemed like a super saver pack, and because I'm a hostler I need to save money, so I got this, and it's a lot more biscuits than usual. And then I got moong ki dal because I love moong ka dal. And then I again have 2 more popcorn and 1 packet of yippee. My total came down to 314.
I just got coffee.
And soft.
No.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah, she got coffee and soft, and I got like so much junk food, which is why I'm fat and she isn't. Yeah, so that was it for our haul, and I shall vlog again. I could not vlog because I had a family emergency, and I posted about it on my Instagram. A lot of you guys also supported me, so thank you so much if you are my Instagram fam member and you supported me. Sheilu's just sitting there awkwardly. And no, I'm not quitting YouTube. I just don't get the time to vlog whenever I think I would vlog. Something or the other happens and I cannot vlog. So thank you so much for sticking by all patiently, and now you'll see her in a lot more vlogs. And if you guys want any video with my roommate or want us to do any video, she has a really cool Instagram handle where she sketches and like illustrates, so I'll have that link down below too. But if you guys want us to like film any video together, put it in the comments below and we shall film a video. And for now I'll just go and start eating. Bye. Hi guys, thank you so much for staying tuned till the end of the video. And now that I was editing, I realized there was no outro for the vlog. So thank you so much for watching till the end. And this was, I know, a very jumbled up, mixed up vlog, but I really just wanted to put something up there, and I just really wanted to... Hi, that's Ardavi and I'm at her place. Yeah, so I really just wanted to like put a vlog up there, and because all of you guys were sending in DMs of how I'm not uploading and stuff, and I understand that. So now I expect a lot more daily vlogs and like life at Pearl content. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog that I made for you guys. If you did, you know what to. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, make sure you also hit the notification bell button so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I shall see you guys next time. Bye bye.